Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into Doro 8100. So first you have to pull out your SIM tray, which is right here. You can simply take it out of your device. You don't need a SIM tray key, and then you can just put your SD card right here and then put your SIM card right here. And now you can put your SIM tray back into your device. Like this. And now your phone should recognize the SIM and SD card. And as you can see by this range bars in the status bar, I now have a network connection. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.